I don't do restaurants anymore. I don't do hotels. I don't do TV shows. I teach 90 really cool kids how to cook. So if me being a UNESCO chef gives them inspiration and gives them drive to either continue on with cooking or just to be proud of where they're from, then those are the best 2 years I spent as a UNESCO chef. Teaching them young on how to eat properly, how to cook properly, expanding their palate and showing that we actually care and we actually want to help them develop a skill and a trade, I think is super important because everyone needs to eat, everyone needs to learn how to cook. And this could be the only meal that they eat today, or this could be like their safe haven. It feels like it's my responsibility to take care of them. They're like my kids, they're like my children. I feel it's my responsibility as a teacher. And it's cool to hear from previous students say like, you're the only teacher that listened. That's what we're here for as teachers. High school culinary, it's not like what it was 30 years ago. We're winning paella, we're doing barbecue teams, kids are winning cake competitions, they're going to Disney to compete. Now it's like, again, the 20 plus schools that have culinary in San Antonio. You think about it, there's about 100 kids per program. Like that's potentially 2,000 employees that could be actually working in San Antonio. So these kids know and they understand that if they need a job, they could walk outside and get a job today. You will never be unemployed in this industry.